Once you've installed your font, if you head in Illustrator and select the Type tool to the left hand side, that's a T as its icon, and click into the canvas and type something for an example. We'll type steel jeans once again, and we go into our character panel, click the font name, which is currently Myriad Pro, and type in the new font name which you downloaded. In this case I'm going to select Allah, and there you have it. The font has changed to the one that you typed in. As you collect fonts, you will want a way of storing all, or at least the most popular ones, for reference. So this is what I do. I call this a font pool, and it's basically an Illustrator document with my favourite fonts inside, arranged into serif, sans serif and script fonts. Now, I don't suggest that you use the same fonts for every project that you do, so it is advisable to keep your font pool, should you wish to use one, updated on a regular basis. Alternatively, as you take on projects, you might just wish to refer to the previous font websites I've shown to make use of the preview feature. Though you probably will find that you'll always have some favourite fonts that you do wish to keep and have easy access to. So the font pool serves this purpose, so it's your call as you progress in your logo design career whether you want to use one or not. It is my advice to use one. Just it makes your job easier if you find yourself wanting a certain font that you remember and you can't find it and you have to rake through a lot of files. So all your favourite stuff is in an Illustrator file. It's there for you to reference whenever you want, and that there is the font pool.